for the rest of this game, can you call me Speed Reed?
Yeah.
And I'll call you Dick Wolf.
Okay. My headset is dying.
Gee, Dick Wolf, that's not very good.
Sure isn't Speedweed.
I think I'm gonna use that as the intro.
Please do. Maybe let's take E. Are you dead?
It's already on. Yeah, we can go here.
Oh, I accidentally took the teleporter, so I'll wait for you here.
I'm in the teleporter. Scout is gonna try and take it from me. Don't do this to me.
I'm waiting for you on the other side.
Okay.
No, I'm behind you.
I see you.
You didn't look at me.
Hi.
Can you see my spray or no?
No.
Aw, I was
really
sitting,
confused.
I was sitting on top of the corgi's tongue. I thought it was funny, but... Oh, I just took a lot of damage.
Ooh, Alvin.
That guy has a voice
from the
changer.
Chipmunks. Oh shit!
Oh, no. That was really
Oh
funny
my
from
God.
my view.
That was
We have a
bad.
very confused heavy. Silver Tiger really wants to get B. Where are you?
Scout, get over here and help me cap it.
I am charged.
Scout, get on this or else we'll take forever.
So mad. Oh, he died. You might want to get on it. Oh, never mind. The scout's got it.
GG,
We
everyone.
did it.
Nice double kill.
Thank you.
Nice medic kill.
I'm just going in.
Okay, now do you want crits?
Sure.
Don't worry, guys. Just take care of A.
Our control point is being captured.
They're trying to distract us with E. I have crits.
People defending.
Do it.
Alert! The control point is being captured.
Oh, I ran out of ammo.
Oh, scared of me on stairs.
Oh, I was going for ammo.
Alert!
I'm gonna
Our
touch the
control
cabin.
point is being captured.
Instantly reload. Oh, I didn't touch the cabin.
Yeah, you can't touch it from the side, which is really stupid.
Touching the cabinet again.
Protect you, dispensers! Touching the cabinet
Alright,
again.
Dick Wolf. Don't.
Alright,
I
speed
can't
lead.
hit this guy. I can't hit him. He's gone.
He's gone. He's got... Oh. I thought that heavy that was
Okay,
shooting was
I'll
the other
load up.
guy.
Control point is being
Good.
captured.
For one scout? Oh, okay, no. Okay, yep. Oh, on the hill there's a... they Ubered. There's a... they Ubered. That sniper.
I just got random critted. Can't get enough of those random crits.
Glad you took out the buff banner. That one.
Can't get enough of that sugar crisp.
Can't get enough of that Blade
Oh
Extreme.
crap! There's another one.
Blade Extreme,
Just
are you my dad?
people just... There's the scout! I have crits. Where are
I'm
you?
behind you. Come over to the spawn room. Use it right away. Hey.
Oh. Okay.
Can I get in here? No, I can't. Oh shit. That's not good.
What did you ask to be your dad?
Blade Extreme.
Why?
He's the guy who's in the voice chat. He's like, nah, bah, 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 bah.
Oh.
Blade Extreme.
Have you got daddy issues?
Will you be my dad?
Never.
Never.
Oh, it's really sad. I feel bad for you. I'm sorry.
Bye. You missed 2 backstabs.
We're getting dick wolfed.
I need help on the last fight.
Oh, you want to see something crazy?
Sure. The soldier's on top.
Come down here.
Okay.
Watch this.
I have 67, by the way.
They got snipers.
Did you just kill him through the floor? Dude. I have crits.
Okay, you watch my trap and tell me if I need to dead. I need to get ammo. Oh, behind you! There's a medic right there! What the hell? What? He's
my God,
gone! He got out! He's a god!
Oh, you should have dead. There was a guy. There's a bunch of snipers.
You got 3.
Oh, the god's back.
This way, there's a bunch of snipers. Sorry, you were low and I was low and I thought there were people.
Oh, you called that, but not in the mic. Wait, no, that wasn't you. Are you? Where are you?
I'm alive.
What? Where did you go? Oh.
I got backburner, never mind. I think they have a teleporter up because he had the teleport, what's it called, effect on him.
The Paedicles.
Yeah, and someone's on E.
Just getting up.
Our last control point is being captured.
I'm up in 7.
Come on, guys.
They definitely have a teleporter.
Dude.
The final control point is being contested.
Come on, guys. You got this.
The control
Oh no! Fuck! I'm dead! There's health next to you. I'm there. Yeah.
The control point is being captured. Alert! Our last control point is being captured.
Okay, I'm going soldier.
Alert! Our last control point is being captured.
Where you at, boy? Oh, there you are. Okay. What? You're a god!
You
Oh
blew
my
himself
God.
up!
I got that. I was just watching you. Okay, I'm right below you.
They have a teleporter in that room. That's where they're all coming from.
Okay, let's
Oh
go
my
below
god. I totally would have died if that guy didn't blow himself up.
That guy was so healthy.
Is it safe to get the health in here? Because I have very low health. I have 85. 90. I have.
Let me load up. I'm gonna go for it.
The poor engineer who went through the teleporter.
Yeah, guys. Come on, you got this.
Yep, we got it.
You have 2 medics.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Point is being contested.
Oh no, not C.
Okay, no, he's up on the
Watch
cliff.
out, a huge wave of them are deciding to go at sea.
I'm taking this stairway, okay.
They It won't finish us.
Christ, I'm so low.
We have to push that one.
Nice job. Here comes some
Nice job. This guy is so like
I want
encouraging.
him to be my dad.
I just gotta
Good
heal this
job,
medic.
son. Kill him,
I
everybody.
almost have crits again. I have. Whew! That was a spy.
Ooh. Pop.
Oh, that's not my pop. That's the other guy. You have double crits. We did it. Not
Give me a
surprised.
high five, Dick Wolf.
I am stuck on something and I cannot get back through the door.
For the rest of this game, can you call me Speedweed?
Yeah.
And I'll call you Dick Wolf.
Okay. My headset is dying.
Gee, Dick Wolf, that's not very good.
Sure isn't Speedweed.
I think I'm gonna use that as the intro.